As you can see, I have the new Oppo Find N2 Flip. So it's a foldable device, a vertical flipping device from the smartphone maker Oppo, and it has the Hasselblad camera collaboration, meaning that the cameras are tuned with their color calibration from Hasselblad. And so I'm just going to show off what the unboxing experience looks like. We're going to move Pikachu out of the way and his snacks, and let's do it. So immediately you see it rises. Ooh, I let it fold that down. Look at that. It has a hinge to where it automatically lifts it up. And what I want to show off is, one, obviously the device itself. It folds, there's the hinge. But it comes with the charger in the box. As Flossie Carter would say, Apple, Google, Samsung, pay attention. This is how you're supposed to do it. You put the chargers in the box. Don't disrespect me by not putting it there. There is the 67 watt SuperVOOC charging. And, of course, the normal stuff. The SIM ejection tool and all the important materials and the books on the inside that you need to know. But yeah, that's it. I want to show it off. I'm excited about it. Never had a flipping phone, a foldable phone before. Oh look, it also comes with a case in the box, which is great to protect the phone. See, this is how company's supposed to do it. What I like about this case is that because it folds, you obviously can't have one whole piece, so it has two separate pieces. And this is something to carry over until you buy a separate case. I don't know if I'm going to put a case on this too often anyway. And also, the dongle so that you can transfer data between your old device and the new one. It's perfect. So here we go. The new Oppo Find N2 Flip. Let's give it its first fold. Let's give it its first fold again. Folding phone. Crazy.